Carrying the torch, a guide to a timeless phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, to carry the torch. It's a phrase rich with history and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its definition but also how to use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, this explainer is for you. Let's illuminate this phrase together. To carry the torch is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of continuing a cause or upholding the values of someone or something that came before. It can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional and social movements. This phrase embodies the spirit of perseverance, dedication, and respect for legacy. The origins of "to carry the torch" are deeply rooted in ancient history and tradition. The torch, as a source of light and guidance, has been a symbol of enlightenment and hope across cultures. Historically, torches were used in relays and races, such as the Olympic Games in ancient Greece, symbolizing the passing of knowledge and excellence from one generation to another. This historical context enriches the phrase, giving it a powerful connotation of continuity and the pursuit of excellence. Understanding when and how to use "to carry the torch" can significantly enhance your English communication. Here are some examples. In tribute, she's carrying the torch for her mentor, continuing his research to honor his legacy. In relationships, after his grandmother passed away, he carried the torch, keeping the family traditions alive. In professional contexts, as the new CEO, she's carrying the torch, driving the company forward with the same values and vision. Like many idiomatic expressions, "to carry the torch" can have variations. Some might say, "holding the torch," or "bearing the torch," but the meaning remains consistent. It's about being a keeper of a flame, metaphorically, ensuring that the light continues to shine for others to follow. Understanding phrases like "to carry the torch" not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the cultural nuances of the English language. It's a beautiful expression of continuity, legacy, and commitment. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Keep carrying the torch in your language learning journey, and thank you for watching. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and to appreciate the cultural depth of the English language. See you in our next video.